Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is related to the chapter Circle in 10th standard CBSE. Here is the question. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with a center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to dash. We have to find the angle value, that is angle POA, given that there is one circle and it has two tangents PA and PB, and it is a tangent from a point P, and the center of the circle is O, and the tangents inclined at an angle of 80 degree. So I have drawn a figure here. Normally only you get the question, but corresponding to the question you have to draw the figure. Now I have drawn the figure related to this question, and here P is the point outside of the circle, and from that point P, given that there are two tangents PA and PB, and here this tangent inclines at an angle 80 degree, and we have to find the value of this POA to find the value of this angle. So here we go. OB and OA are the radius to the tangents PB and PA respectively, right? OB is the radius. OB is the radius of the tangent PB. Okay. Similarly, OA is the radius of the tangent PA. So we know that if we drawn a line, the line drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent is directly proportional, that is directly perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, that is the line drawn from the center of the circle is to the tangent is perpendicular to that tangent. Therefore OA is the line and it is the radius that is drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent AP. Therefore this angle is 90 degree. Similarly this angle is 90 degree. So OB is the radius of the tangent PB and OA is the radius of the tangent PA. Therefore we can write it as OB is perpendicular to PB. Similarly OA is perpendicular to PA. Okay, OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. Therefore we can write it as angle OBP is equal to angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle OBP and OAP is equal to 90 degree. Now we consider a quadrilateral. AOBP is a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, sum of interior angle is 360. Sum of interior angle is 360. Okay, now therefore OAPB is a quadrilateral. We can write it as in quadrilateral AOPB, sum of interior angle is 360. Okay, so now we can write it as, that is, we know that this equation, right? See, sum of interior angle of n-sided polygon, that is n-sided polygon, is n minus 2 into 180. Okay, n minus 2 into 180. Here n is equal to 4. AOBP is a 4-sided. So 4 minus 2 into 180. So 2 into 180, that is 360. Therefore, in a quadrilateral it is 4-sided. Therefore, it is sum of interior angle is 360. So we can write it as angle AOB plus angle OBP plus angle BPA plus angle PAO is equal to 360. Okay, sum of interior angle is 360. So therefore angle AOB plus OAB, this angle, plus PBA, this angle, plus PAO, this angle, is equal to 360. And we know that angle AOB plus angle OBP is equal to 90 degree plus BPA, that is 80 degree, given that in the question, plus PAO or OAP, the same angle, is equal to 90 degree, is equal to 360. From in this equation, angle AOB plus 90 plus 80 plus 90, that is 260, is equal to 360. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 260 is equal to 100. Therefore, this total angle AOB is equal to 100. Okay, this total angle is equal to 100. Consider the two triangles like OAP, triangle OAP, and triangle BOP. In this triangle OA and OB, this side and this side, OA and OB are the radius of the circle, therefore they are equal. Now these triangles OA is equal to OB because these are the radius of the circle, so these are equal. And OP, the other side is OP, the same side. Okay, therefore OP is equal to OP. We can write it as OP is equal to OP. And the last side is AP and PB. Okay, so that also equal. AP is equal to PB, because these are the two tangents from a same point P. Okay, these are the two tangents to the circle at the same point. Therefore, AP and is equal to BP. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, we can write it as triangle OAP is similar to triangle BOP. Okay, consider these two triangles, and OA and OB are the radius of the circles, therefore they are equal. And the next side is OP, that is the common side, and it is equal. And AP and PB are the tangent from a same point to the circle, therefore they are also equal. So the three sides of the two triangles are equal, therefore that two triangles are similar. So therefore we can say that the angles opposite to the same sides are equal. Consider this one, OA and OB, so these are equal. So the angle opposite to this side OA is this angle, and similarly OB, the angle opposite to this side is this small angle, and OP is equal to OP. In this angle, that is triangle, in a triangle OAP, the opposite to OP is this angle A, and in this triangle OPB, that angle opposite to OP is angle P. Last one, AP is equal to PB. The angles are opposite to AP is, the angle opposite to AP is this angle, that is AOP, and BP. Angle opposite to BP is BOP. Therefore, angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. Clear? See, since these triangles are similar, therefore angles opposite to the equal side are equal, OA and OB. Angles opposite to OA and angle opposite to OB are same, and similarly in this, and it is satisfied the same condition here, and angles opposite to AP and BP are same. Angle opposite to AP is AOP, angle opposite to BP is BOP. Okay, so these angles are equal. Now we already got that angle OAB, angle AOB, this total angle we know that, which is equal to angle AOP plus angle BOP, which is equal to 100. Okay, given angle AOB is equal to 100, and also by this condition these angle are same, therefore the only possibilities are this angle is 50, this angle is 50. We have to find the value of POA, that is AOP. So this angle is 50 degree. Therefore angle POA is equal to 50 degree. Okay, hope you have understand my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends, and if you have any comments, please put below in my comment box. Thank you.